This is day 374 of solving the Rubik Cube blindfolded every single day after I break the national record. Getting close, getting close. You know, one thing I learned is that when you learn a new method, it takes more effort to perform even things that you already know. So for example, I'm currently learning Orozco, but it kind of messes up my performance on edges as well because I'm too busy memorizing how Orozco works. I'm probably worried about how I'm gonna solve it, and edges just gets messed up.